Discover the perfect fall morning drink, spiced apple toddy. Hey coffee lovers and cozy season fans, welcome back to the channel. Today we're blending warm spices, sweet apple flavor, and bold coffee into the ultimate comfort drink, the spiced apple coffee toddy. This recipe is perfect for chilly mornings, quiet evenings, or anytime you want your coffee to feel a little more special and soul-warming. Imagine the aroma of simmering apples, cinnamon, and cloves filling your kitchen while fresh coffee brews in the background. This toddy-style drink is inspired by classic hot toddies, but with a comforting coffee twist that feels like fall in a mug. Ingredients: 1 cup strong brewed coffee, ½ cup apple cider or apple juice, 1 tablespoon honey or brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon, ground cinnamon, pinch of ground nutmeg, tiny pinch of ground cloves, ½ teaspoon vanilla extract, splash of milk or cream, optional, cinnamon stick or apple slice for garnish directions. Start by heating the apple cider in a small saucepan over low heat. Add the cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, stirring gently as the cider warms and the spices bloom. Let it heat for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want it steaming, not boiling. While the cider warms, brew your coffee extra strong for a bold, cozy base. Pour the hot coffee into your favorite mug, then slowly add the spiced apple cider. Stir in honey or brown sugar until fully dissolved, followed by the vanilla extract. If you like your coffee creamy, add a splash of milk or cream and stir gently. Finish with a cinnamon stick or apple slice for that cozy storybook touch. This spiced apple coffee toddy is perfect for sweater weather, journaling sessions, or winding down with a good book. Each sip is warm, gently spiced, and comforting, like a hug wrapped in apple and coffee flavors. If this drink warmed your day, give the video a like, subscribe for more cozy coffee recipes, and tell me in the comments, are you team apple spice or classic coffee? Coffee apple. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffeelover.